Hello, you monkey wrenchers. It is, what is today? Monday. We're back in the car. I think I'm wearing the same clothes as I did last time. I think so. Anyway, new day and a new old car we are going to get. All right, it's raining W140s in the life of Monkey Wrench Mike. We're headed to Oklahoma City to pick up one that is sat in the back of the Mercedes dealership there since they moved there. So it's probably been 5 or 6 years. Yeah, this car has sat in the back of a Mercedes dealership because nobody wanted it. They had to work to get the title for me. So we're going to go pick up a lovely, and I'm kidding when I say lovely, a lovely W140. Let's go. Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, this is going to be a lot of fun. I literally just took off my suit and everything, kind of wiped off some of the makeup I had from doing the news, and I've been to 2 U-Haul places. 2. The first one they sent me to, and I had a reservation. I got the text, we have a tow dolly here for you, pick it up at this address. I go there, and it's unrentable. U-Haul, why do you put it on the computer system as rentable? Send me there when it's unrentable, and the computer showed it as unrentable. So they had to get on the phone and find another one. So I had to drive to a completely different location, and as you can see, it's raining. Yeah, this has been a good trip so far. But we're going to be positive. We're going to stay positive. Hopefully this car, I'm not anticipating that it's going to start. I really don't even think that it's going to start. It's not in as good a condition as the one that was allegedly owned by the former Louisiana governor, Eddie Edwards. Put a picture of the car up. There you go. This one is in kind of sad shape, but there's good parts for it. So this may end up just being a parts car. So we're going to drive to Oklahoma City in the rain and pick up a parts car. Let's do it. All right, we have arrived. Look at her, isn't she beautiful? Isn't she lovely? Can I put you on real quick to say hi? Everybody, that is Randy, the coolest guy in the world. He's helped me with all kinds of parts and wheels and tires. And now look what he's found for me. Look at this. It's love at fifth sight. Yeah, no, this is a good car, I'm hoping. It's been here for 857 days. And she runs like a dream. That's why we're having to use a tow strap and a forklift, a max lift. The plan is to drag her up there. So we're going to hopefully get her going. All right? You ready? Fingers crossed.
Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna,
Okay.
yeah, we'll just do this slow and steady.
Right.
All right.
Perfect. Okay. Now, hopefully she's not locked up. Okay. She is in neutral. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh crap, I gotta put the phone down. Oh. Okay. Should we put the strap in front of the thing? Yep.
I'm gonna try and pull you as far forward.
Okay.
And unhook the straps so that way I clear the
wheel.
Yeah.
Okay, we got it. Is it lined up though good? I guess it's lined up good. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, she's in park. She's a rough girl. She's a very bad bitch. Best friend. She's a real bad snitch. Isn't that the song? Something like that. Okay, we have air in the tires, which is good. We know the car won't start. We know this is lovely. We're loving this, okay? Oh, it just dropped that. But you know what? This wood is in better shape than, oh, except for that. I forgot about that piece right there. Dagnabbit. Okay. The plan is to move the strap in front of that. And now he's a good forklift driver. Here we go. Here it is. Okay. Okay. I got insurance.
You ready?
Yeah. We have insurance on the tow dolly. Of course. There we go. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Oh, look at that. We did it. We did it, folks. Okay. Ah! I can't believe that went so easy. Turn this way.
We might have to. Might just try with the forklift.
Okay.
I
I'm not picky.
said if you're
No, that looks fine to me. That wheel's good.
well, over here, we're a little close. I mean,
Oh,
and also I don't know if you'll be able to get the strap out.
yeah. Ooh. Okay.
So I'll take up tension.
Okay.
We'll take you off.
Yeah.
I'll get you a line down there at the bottom of the ramp, and I'll yank you up again.
Okay. Look at those rims, baby. Aren't those gorgeous? They're probably worth more than the whole car. No, I don't know. All right, we've made it 40 miles, and we just put air in the tires, and they're doing really well. Imagine that. Look at that. Okay, we've made a couple of discoveries. We don't know what's in the trunk because we don't know how to get in the trunk. All right, that's one discovery. We're missing a little side piece there. Okay, look at the rim. Those are huge, huge. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we're going to do a full walk around. This is the side marker that's in here. We have some weird things in here. We have a newspaper. I can't wait to see how old that is, so I'll tell you all about that. But why did I buy the car? Well, I need parts from this car, unless it turns out to be a good car, and then I just trying to fix it up. So we're just going to see how she's doing. Let me back her up. I know I'm too close. There we go. Here it is. Yeah, there's the newspaper. There you go. The Gailey Oklahoma City newspaper. LGBTQ, baby. Okay, so we're doing good. Mighty ML500 is doing fine. We're just getting some gas. We're gonna get some barbecue. She's got some freckles. Look at that. She does have some freckles. Okay, I have no idea what I bought, but they treated me with respect and kindness at the Mercedes dealership, and I walked out the door with a car for $331. Hasn't been moved in 857 days. Why was it there? I don't know. I think in my paperwork there's some documents that'll show me more. Oh, this window's kind of open. All right, let's look at the back seat. Oh, this one's locked. All right, well, we're gonna get some gas, get some barbecue, and then we're gonna go back to T-Town, headed back to Tulsa. She's got a shark bite. Yeah, she got a shark bite right there. All right, we'll be back in just a moment. All right, we made it home. Yep, she did fine. These weird tires who foursome. Yeah, I got foursome tires. Yep, take a look at that. Never heard that before. I got a foursome over here, and I have a Falcon over there, and who knows what's up front. Okay, so she did fine. She really did fine. The only problem is she doesn't start. So I got to turn her around. We're going to point her that way, so eventually I can drag her up here, and then we can hide her in the back. Shh, I'm not calling you ugly, okay? I'm not calling you ugly, you bronze beauty, okay? I'm just saying that you need a little touch up here and there, 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 there. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to use the Mighty ML. We're going to go down the hill, turn around, come back, point her this way, get her off of the trailer, and then I have to go return the trailer. The next phase is getting her from there back to there. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Okay.